Lesson 17, letter joins to E. Let's write an R to E. Notice the R must dip down to start the E in the centre. So the horizontal garland join comes down to the halfway point and then make the E. If you want to get an extra I in the E, a nice big opening in the E, pull this stroke out and around, keep the back as straight as you can, and then come up to the red line. So whenever you take a horizontal join after a top finishing letter from F, O, R, T, V and W, you will need to use this technique to join into the letter E. Let's join as many letters as possible to an E, starting with an M, up to the red line, M, E, N, E, O. Here's your top to top join, drop down into the E. The best way to improve the quality of your penmanship is to practice the alphabet interspersed with the letter U, taking care to space all the letters as carefully as you can. So let's start now. This will be your daily practice, almost like a meditation, hanging these underneath a line. A, U, B, U, C, U, D, U, and so forth.